Good afternoon. I am Suman Sharma from Government Polytechnic College, Khuni Majra. Today's my topic is equation of straight line in different forms and parallel lines and perpendicular lines with problem. So first of all, we will define straight line. What is a straight line? Definition first of all, a straight line is a straight line may be defined as the shortest distance between two points. Means these are 2 points and the distance between 2 points is called straight line. Now some equations of straight line. First off, equation of a straight line parallel to x axis. If a straight line is parallel to x axis, then it is always at a constant distance, say d, from x axis. Means these are our axes and this line parallel to x axis and let it is at distance d from x axis. D may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever be the value of d, and it can be negative also. Thus, if x y is any point on a straight line, then the equation of a straight line is y equal to d, because here x is 0, at this point x is 0, only y will be there, then equation is y equal to d and x abscissa is always 0. Thus we write thus x y is any point on this line and its ordinate is constant, that is y equal to d. Now some cases. Case 1, if d is greater than 0, means if d is positive greater than 0, then line lies above x axis. Case 2, if d is less than 0, then line lies below x-axis. Number third, if D equal to 0, then it coincide with x-axis. Means if D is here, but means D is less than 0, then the line is below the x-axis, and if D is 0 means this line, then it is x-axis itself. Means line is, this is suppose our line, then it coincide with the x-axis. Means corollary, we can say the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis and at a distance b from it is defined as y equal to b. Now next, equation of a straight line parallel to y axis. If a straight line is parallel to y axis, then it always remains at a constant distance say d from y axis, and its equation will be x equal to d. If we take d1, then we will take d1. Means these are our x's and this is our equation, straight line parallel to the y axis. Let us suppose this is a distance d1, then the equation will be x equal to d1. Now cases, case 1, if d1 is greater than 0, then line lies on right hand side of y axis. Case 2, if d1 is less than 0, then line lies on left hand side of y axis. Means if d is less than 0, then the straight line will be lie here. And number case third, if d1 equal to 0, then the equation of y axis is itself, means it coincide with the y axis, means if d equal to 0, then this is the straight line. Then it coincide with the y axis and straight line will be here. Corollary, we can say that the equation of a straight line parallel to y axis and at a distance a from it is x equal to a. Now slope, because slope is very important in straight line. What is a slope? Slope in daily use we can say slope. Slope means ढलान. If a straight line makes an angle theta with positive direction of x axis, then the tangent of the angle theta is said to be slope or gradient of the line. Means slope of a line is generally denoted by m, and we can say that m is tangent of the angle. Then what is angle? Then this tangent of the angle is called the slope. Now some important note. Number 1, slope of a vertical line is not defined. Number 2, slope of a horizontal line is always 0. Means slope of a vertical line is not defined and slope of a horizontal line is always 0. Why? Because the angle between this line and this line is 0 and tan 0. What is tan 0? Tan 0 is 0, and here this is a vertical line and this angle is 90 degree. And what is the slope? Slope is a tangent of the angle, and this is 90 degree angle, then tan 90 is infinity, and we can say that slope of a vertical line is not defined. Next, now properties of the slope of a line. Properties of the slope of a line. Number 1, if a line is equally inclined to the axis, then its slope is equal to plus minus 1. If suppose m1 and m2 are the slopes of two lines, then number 1, m1 equal to m2 means slopes are equal if the lines are parallel. Number 2, m1 m2 equal to minus 1 if the lines are perpendicular, means if lines are parallel then the slopes will be equal, vice versa, and if the lines are perpendicular then the product of slope is equal to minus 1. Now solution, let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines AB and CD. Suppose we take two lines AB and CD. And m1 be the slope of AB and m2 is the slope of CD. Slope of AB is m1 and slope of CD is m2. If AB and CD are parallel lines, then they make equal angles with the positive direction of x-axis. AB, CD. If these two lines are parallel, then they makes the equal angle with the positive direction of x-axis. So we means theta 1 equal to theta 2, If we take tangent, then tangent will be also equal. And what is tangent theta 1? This is m1 and this is m2. Then we conclude that slopes are equal if lines are parallel. Number 2, if AB and CD are perpendicular lines, then theta 2 equal to 90 degree plus theta 1 and tangent of theta 2, we can take tangent both side, is equal to, and tangent 90 plus theta is cot theta 1 in second quadrant, and here is 10 is negative. Then we can say that tan theta 2 is equal to minus 1 upon tan theta 1, and tan theta 1 tan theta 2 is equal to minus 1, means tan theta 1 is m1, tan theta 2 is, then product of these two equal to minus 1, or we can say that m2 is equal to 1 upon minus 1. Now what we conclude? Conclusion is two lines are parallel if and if their slopes are equal. Number 2, two lines are perpendicular if the product of their slope is equal to minus 1. Number 3, slope of a line parallel to x axis or perpendicular to y axis is 0. Number 4, slope of a line parallel to y axis or perpendicular to x axis is not defined. Now next, intercept form. Now first of all, what is intercept? This is our axis, if a straight line AB meets x axis and y axis respectively, then number 1, OA is called x intercept. Number 2, OB is called y-intercept, and number third, AB is the portion or segment of the line intercept between the number 4 OA and OB taken in this particular order are called intercept of the line on the line on the axis. Means this portion is called x intercept and this portion is called the y intercept. This is our intercept. Now next equation of straight line, third number equation. First equation is parallel to x axis, next is parallel to y axis, and third is straight line passing through the origin. To find the equation of straight line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. Solution: let OA be the straight line passing through the origin O and making an angle theta with x axis. Let this OL line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis. We can say x O A is theta. Let Pxy be any point OA. Now from P draw PM perpendicular on x axis. Here P is a point, its coordinates is xy, and from P draw PM is perpendicular on the x axis. Then OM is equal to x and MP equal to y. This OM is x and this is our y. Now, in the right angle triangle OMP, in triangle OMP, we know that MP upon OM is equal to tangent of the angle. MP upon OM is equal to tangent of theta. Now,